Hi guys, today we are going to talk about Peregrine Falcon. Yeah, it's a bird which is going to, I think it is going to be the fastest bird in the world. It goes 360 to 400 miles per hour. And I think that is the fastest bird. When the bird will go up in the sky very high, then they will dive, put their wings like this back and shake right down, like this stone, like it fly, whoo, like that. It's like a rocket. That much fast it will go. If the rocket is broken one little piece versus the Peregrine Falcon, it will be like same, I think. And Peregrine Falcon can even stop very quickly and spin like this. Do you know how the Peregrine Falcon manages to go right, left, front, up? That is using when they're diving. When they are using their leg, if the leg went this side, it goes that side. Peregrine Falcon will go that side. If the leg is this side, it go that side. If his leg is down, it will go up like that. And they will control their body when they are diving from the legs and some legs and their wings, because the wings are like there are feathers. Those are like in car. I can tell you one example. In car, the what you call steering wheel. The steering wheel helps the car to go right, left, up, down. No, right, left, right. Like that only, even in planes, like that only it will go. And like that only the wings and the legs are the same for Peregrine Falcon. And you might be thinking how much sharper is the eyes than from humans to Peregrine Falcon. Humans are very nice eyes when they are little, like small kids, and it keep going a little bit sharper, little bit lower, like that, little bit, like not even 1%, 0.5%, like that. When you get so old, sometimes you can't see properly. Eyes from the humans, the Peregrine Falcon 1,000 times better eyes, because in night they can see the prey with color, and they can see the shape and understand what animal is this. Like Iron Man in Avengers, he can see everything by his eyes in the shoot. Like that only he can see. He can Peregrine Falcon, when they see the animals everywhere, there is only one. Red means there is sometimes those birds can see the animals red. Red means it is okay to eat. Then if it's green means it is very fine. Is fine. Then if it is red, if it is yellow means yellow means is fine to eat, and green means is super fine, and red means is very poisonous. You can't eat. Like that. Like this, colors are there in their eyes. At night also, morning also, anytime they can see. But I'm not sure at night because they sleep. They can see the dreams, but and they are like some when they see one animal, they can see the shape. Then like Iron Man only, he can understand in the brain what animal is that. Then like that only he will go diving and goes fast and just grab that animal and fly away. And their wings are this one, like this, not make me. And they grab one time. If you beat also, if it's still grabbing very tight, you don't care about the body. Then if you beat also, it will not fall down. It will just spin like a swing, like that. It rhymed for sure. Swing like it's spin like a swing. It's a rhyming word, and like that only their hands are so grippy like this. But I can't do like that. And they actually can fly up in the sky more higher than like everything, more higher than what you call the plane. It goes more higher than the plane. That much high it can fly actually. And those are even like they can stop at one time when they see the animal. Like if that there is water, then there is one duck swimming. If one duck is floating only, it's closing their eyes. The Peregrine Falcon comes very fast. It's like a plane. Then put the leg front is like a wheel of the plane, and down grab it and fly away. Then nobody can rescue, right? Like that. And like that only. Actually, my favorite birds are that one. My favorite one, my favorite bird is that one. And because of this, and I know this much only I know. I actually watched one YouTube channel named Wild Crats. Then I learned this one, and I told to you what I know. Yeah, bye guys.